In 1988, the Piper Alpha oil rig turned into a blazing death trap, killing 167 people. The North Sea rig blew and burned because natural gas and water froze, blocking the pipeline. Pressure built up and the pipeline exploded, releasing a cloud of gas which ignited with horrifying consequences. The tragedy set a young Perth petroleum engineer thinking. Robert Amin wondered if the ability of natural gas to freeze with water, to form a so-called hydrate, could be put to good use.
I've been working with this problem for quite a while, tried to solve problem, tried to prevent the hydrate formation. So we've been dealing with it for quite a while. But suddenly we realized actually the amount of gas dissolved in the hydrate or trapped it in the ice was huge. So we tried to take advantage of this phenomenon.
What Robert has done is turned the dangerous properties of natural gas into, well, natural assets. You see, he's just patented a way of packaging energy-rich gas into ice for safekeeping, and it never, ever explodes. Robert's recipe mixes a measure of water, a puff of methane gas, and a dab of a special additive. He then drops the temperature under high pressure by chilling the container for a few minutes, and voila! It must be pretty hard, yeah. And this is perfectly safe to handle?
It's perfectly safe. Do you want me to burn this one?
Wow. That's amazing. Absolutely stunning. So it's safe. You can even hold it
very safe. You can
while you're burning it?
Absolutely.
So there's no hazard. This could be transported anywhere safely. Now, Robert can safely abuse his designer ice because the gas molecules are locked tightly inside an ice cage, a hydrate. The trick is to fit gas molecules into as many ice cages as possible.
The biggest problem we had is to make the hydrate more efficient, can store more gas in it so we don't transport lots of ice and add a lot of weight to the product.
By adding a tiny amount of alcohol to 1 part gas and 5 parts water, Robert was able to trap virtually all the gas in ice cages. But is it all as easy as it seems?
It is very simple process. We knew by the time we tell people about it, everybody says, oh, we know that. That was very simple. But always like that, you find the solution very close to you. People tend to look to more complicated solutions.
Robert's frozen fuel promises to be a revolutionary and safe method of delivering energy to isolated locales, and at a fraction of the cost of a pipeline. It could arrive at your door in a gas bottle, much the same as LPG. And when the gas is gone, the water is perfectly safe to drink. Industry is highly impressed with Robert's burning ice. Woodside Energy have funded construction of a pilot production plant to see if the technology works in the real world. If burning ice proves its stuff, Woodside could use it to service remote communities economically and to develop overseas markets now served by natural gas tankers, or not at all.
The gas market is huge and is growing, obviously, with the increased environmental pressure to use gas rather than other fuels. So it could be $1 billion. It could be nothing. I mean, it's a bet, and we think we hope it's the billions. It's potentially huge.
But there's a potential market for burning ice that Woodside may have overlooked: the Barbie. You can't go wrong with a product that cools the drinks and cooks the prawns.